Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon candy corn. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my video series teaching you how to draw. Well, today we're going to be drawing something really sweet, some candy corn, Mrs. Corn actually. So we're going to begin with the basic shape I'm sketching out, and keep in mind how I'm sketching is the nice way of learning, not straight hard lines. It's multiple actions, and I put the crosshair in the middle to guide me for the face, where I would need to know where the eyes, nose, and mouth is. Yeah, and little eyebrows there we have on there. We're going to be adding the eyelashes too, to indicate like the little girly girl on that she is going to be. And finishing up the other eyeball right now. As you can see, it kind of turns a little bit smaller on the far right to give that little three-dimensional look, that three-quarter view. It's not straight on, it's a three-quarter. All right, let's work on her lips right now. There we go. Okay, finishing that up. A little smiley on her face. Yeah, she's happy. It's that time of year again, coming up, fall, and what better else to do some candy corn. And let's break out the areas for the different colors. And finishing up with the eyebrow on the top there. Get the expression. All right, and then we're going to be just working. Let's look a little darker. This is just a little simple sketch, not really too hard, basic shape. Now let's do some hands on her. I start off with a circle, work on her thumb. I'm going to work on 3 fingers to follow that one, and go all the way around. Sometimes you can make a square circle. I'm just going to make a little line for her arm. So over here, another circle, square, the thumb. Okay, let's get the finger. This is all flat action. You can have the hands folding in different positions. That'll be another one I'll take on a video. I just want to show you a very simple way of drawing flat hands, kind of the old-fashioned style of cartoons from the 1920s and so forth. Alright, just make it a little darker. This one I'll be inking in Adobe and coloring in Photoshop with my watercolor brush again. That was looking good. So make sure you time yourself, keep your sketches, and if you don't like a sketch, you can always start over again, but always keep your sketches. Don't throw them out. It's a good way of seeing how you're improving. Alright, there we go, a little darker. Finish this one, sign it. And we're all complete. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks. Check us out on Facebook. That's JMG Studio. And on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.